Good evening, students. How are you all? Hope you all are safe, right? আশা কৰিছো তোমালোক সকলোৱে নিজৰ ঘৰৰ ভিতৰত সুৰক্ষিত আছা. Okay, so boys and girls, you know, um, do you remember what we discussed in our last session? আমাৰ যোৱাটো সেশনত আমি কি ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো তোমালোকৰ সবৰে মনত আছে নে? Yes, you do? Very good. We talked about tenses, and specially we talked about what? We talked about past tenses, right? So continuing in the same vein, we will be discussing something that is similar to that. And what's that? We'll find out now. Are we all ready? Yes? Here we go then. So this is what? Functional English. So what do we have over here? It's a classroom. Okay? তোমালোক সবৰে স্কুলত তেনেকুৱা ক্লাছৰুম আছে হয় নে নহয়? So it's a classroom. What's happening here? এজন ল'ৰা আৰু এজনী ছোৱালীয়ে কথা পাতি আছে. So let's see what they are talking about. So the girl is saying, what are you going to do this Sunday, Ravi? So the boy's name is Ravi. Okay? So ছোৱালীজনীয়ে সুধিলে, what are you going to do this Sunday, Ravi? অহা ৰবিবাৰে তুমি কি কৰিবা, Ravi? So let's see what Ravi replies. I think I'll stay back at home and watch cricket. I think I will stay back at home and watch cricket. Latu kole, I think মই ভাবিছো মই ঘৰতে থাকিম and watch cricket. What will you do, Swati? So girl's name is Swati and Ravi is asking, what will you do, Swati? তুমি কি কৰিবা, Swati? So the girl replies, I'm not sure. Either I'll go to my uncle's place or I'll visit a temple with my family. মই sure নহয়. Probably মই মোৰ uncleৰ ঘৰত যাম, নহলে মোৰ family লগত মই এটা মন্দিৰ দৰ্শন কৰিম. Okay, so the girl is saying, I'm not sure. Either I will go to my uncle's place or I will visit a temple with my family. So, what about your music class? What about your music class? I will not attend it this Sunday. I will not attend it this Sunday. So, what is happening here? Time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist. Time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not exist. এইটো এনেকুৱা এটা এক্সপ্ৰেছন যিটো এনেকুৱা কিছুমান একশ্যনক এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিছে, এটা টাইম ফ্ৰেমক যিটো এনেকুৱা এটা একশ্যনক এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিছে যিটো এতিয়ালৈকে হোৱা নাই বা যিটো এতিয়ালৈকে এক্সিষ্ট নকৰে. ওকে, তাৰমানে কি এতিয়ালৈকে হোৱা নাই কিন্তু হোৱাৰ সম্ভাৱনা আছে. ডেট মিনছ হোৱাট? আমি ভৱিষ্যতে হ'ব লগা বস্তুবিলাকৰ কথা কৈ আছো. So what is our topic today then? যদি আমি ভৱিষ্যতে হ'ব লগা বস্তুৰ কথা কৈ আছো, we can guess that not yet happened or does not exist. It should be what? Very good. We will be talking about future tense in today's session, right? So when we talk about future tense, we have two main expressions. What are those? Let's see. So examples is what? I will go to my aunt's place tomorrow. Then, tomorrow এতিয়ালৈকে হোৱা নাই, এইটো হ'ব লগা বস্তু. So what we have used? I will not, right? So what I have used? I will. Okay, so let's not do the question now. We'll do the question probably later. So we use will to. A will to, what we said, I will go to my uncle's place or other statements like that. So আমি will to ব্যবহার কিয় কৰো? Why do we use will? We use will to talk about a future event. এটা ভৱিষ্যতে ঘটিবলগীয়া ঘটনাৰ বিষয়ে ক'বৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰো? We use will. Then example would be what? I will stay back at home and what's cricket. I will talk about a future event. এটা ভৱিষ্যতে হ'বলগীয়া event এটাৰ বিষয়ে ক'বলৈ আমি কি কৰোঁ? We use will, and the example is what? I will stay back at home and watch cricket. I will go to my uncle's place. I will go to my uncle's place. I will visit a temple with my family. So in the first line, what we have used? Will, and will. So when something that will happen in future, যিবিলাক বস্তু ভৱিষ্যতে হ'ব, সেই বস্তুটোক এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰাৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰোঁ? We basically use two words. ভৱিষ্যতে হ'বলগীয়া ঘটনাবোৰ এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে আমি বেসিক্যালি দুটা শব্দ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰোঁ. এটা হ'ল তোমালোকৰ স্ক্ৰীনত যিটো হাইলাইট হৈ আছে right now. What is that? Yes, very good. That is will, and the other word is what? Shall. Okay? So আমি দুটা বস্তুৱে খুব ডিটেইলত ডিসকাস কৰিম. আজি হয়তো আমি এটা শব্দহে ডিসকাস কৰাৰ সময় পাম. So আমাৰ পৰৱৰ্তী ক্লাছত we might discuss the other word as well. Okay? এতিয়া আমি অকল এটা শব্দহে ডিসকাস কৰিম. পৰৱৰ্তী ক্লাছত আমি বাকি শব্দটোও ডিসকাস কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰিম. All right? Fine then. So moving ahead, use of will not. Will মানে কি? মই যাম, কৰিম, right? And where can we use will not? So প্ৰত্যেকটো statementতে যদি positive এটা আছে, তাৰ negative এটাও definitely থাকিবই, isn't it? So if will is there, there will definitely be what? Will not. Will থাকিলে will not নিশ্চয় থাকিবই. So where can we use will not? Let's see. To talk about any negative sentence in future. ভৱিষ্যততে হ'বলগীয়া কিছুমান সেন্টেন্স যিটো নেগেটিভ হয়, তাৰ বিষয়ে যদি আমি কথা পাতিব লগা হয়, যদি ক'ব লগা হয়, what are we going to do? We will be using this expression will not to talk about any negative sentence in the future. To talk about any negative sentence in the future, what will we do? We will use will not. Say, I will not attend the music class this Sunday. অহা ৰবিবাৰে মই মিউজিক ক্লাছ এটেণ্ড নকৰোঁ. সো এইটো কি হয়? অহা ৰবিবাৰে এটা ঘটিবলগীয়া ঘটনা আছিল, কিন্তু যিটো এতিয়া নহ'ব. এইটো হ'বলগীয়া আছিল অহা ৰবিবাৰে, কিন্তু মই সেইটো নকৰোঁ বা সেইটো বস্তুটো নহ'ব. সো আমি কি কৰিম? We'll say, I will not attend music class this Sunday. I will not go to school next week. স্কুলত তোমালোকে সদায় যাব লাগে, হয়নে নহয়? বাট যদি তুমি কেতিয়াবা যাব নোৱাৰা আৰু তুমি আগতীয়াকে জানা, then what will we say? I will not go to school next week. But my dear friends, এটা বস্তু মনত ৰাখিবা, এইটো এটা statement হয়. Whenever it opens, you have to go, right? It will not rain tomorrow. It will not rain tomorrow. এই বতৰ বিজ্ঞান কেন্দ্ৰই কৈছে কালি বতৰটো ফৰকাল হৈ থাকিব, সো অহাকালি বৰষুণ নিদিয়ে. সো এইটোক আমি কেনেকৈ ক'ম? It will not rain tomorrow. It will not rain tomorrow. So what we have done here? Sita will not go for shopping. Sita shopping কৰিব নাযায়. So Sita will not go for shopping. Right? So what we have used in the first sentence? I will not attend the music class this Sunday. So এইটোত কি এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো আমি? আমি এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো যে এইটো হ'বলগীয়া বস্তু আছিল, কিন্তু এতিয়া নহয়. Then I will not go to school next week. Next week মই স্কুললৈ নাযাওঁ. এইটোতো আমি কি হ'বলগীয়া বস্তু আছিল, যিটো নহ'লে. So আমি কি কৰিছো? Will not. It will not rain tomorrow. অহাকালি বৰষুণ নিদিয়ে. So what we are doing? We are using will not. She will not go for shopping. Sita will not go for shopping. Sita বজাৰলৈ নাযায়. যাবলগীয়া আছিল but নহয়. So what we have done? We have used will not. Right? So now one more, but as I have already said, we will not look into them now. We'll look at them probably a little bit later. Okay? So let's move on to our next part. So the next part, it begins with a line which says, I will do my homework. এইটো আৰম্ভ হৈছে এটা লাইনেৰে যিটোৱে কৈছে I will do my homework. মই মোৰ homework কৰিম. তোমালোক আটাই কৰা হয় নে নহয়? You all do your homework. তোমালোক আটাই নিজৰ homework কৰা. So if it says I will do my homework, then he will pass the examination. It will rain today. John Smith will win the elections. So I will do my homework. It কি বুজাইছে? নিশ্চয়তা বুজাইছে যে মই মোৰ homework কৰিমেই. যদি এই নিশ্চয়তাটো বুজাব বিচাৰিছো আমি কি কৰিম? We will use this word will. যে মই এইটো কাম কৰিমেই. I will do that. I will do my homework. So এইটো কি কৰিছো? নিশ্চয়তাটো দৃঢ়তাটো বুজাইছো. Right? He will pass the examination. He will pass the examination. তো পৰীক্ষা পাছ কৰিবই. এই পৰীক্ষাটো পাছ কৰিবই. He will pass the examination. কি হ'ল? দৃঢ়তা বা নিশ্চয়তা বুজাইছো. So এইটো বুজাবৰ কাৰণে আমি কি কৰো? We use will. It will rain today. আজি বৰষুণ দিবই. যিয়ে নহওক কি আজি বৰষুণ দিয়াটো খাটাং. আজি দিবই দিব. So it will rain today. John Smith will win the elections. John Smith election to জিকিবই জিকিব. John Smith election জিকিবই. John Smith will win the election. So, positive sentences use only will. যিবিলাক পজিটিভ সেন্টেন্স হয় যিবিলাক সাৰ্টেনিটি বুজাবৰ কাৰণে কৰা যায় তাত কি কৰা হয় এইটোই সেই সেন্টেন্সবোৰে অকল will ব্যৱহাৰ কৰে. Positive sentences use only will. Right? I will not do my homework. I will not do my homework. এতিয়া কি আছে? মই মোৰ homework নকৰো. I will not do my homework. He will not pass the examination. To পৰীক্ষা পাছ নকৰে. He will not pass the examination. আজি বৰষুণ নিদিয়ে. It will not rain today. John Smith will not win the election. জিকিব নোৱাৰে. John Smith নিজিকে. John Smith will not win the election. So এই যিখিনি পজিটিভ আছিল আৰম্ভণিতে যিখিনি আমি নিশ্চয়তা বুজোৱাৰ কাৰণে will ইউজ কৰিছিলো তাৰ অপোজিটটো যদি এক্সপ্ৰেছ কৰিব লগা হয় নেগেটিভ যদি ইউজ কৰিব লগা হয় what will do? We will use will not. Okay? So this is the expression. And প্ৰথমতে কি বুজাইছিল? নিশ্চয়তা বা দৃঢ়তা বুজাইছিল. এটো যদি অনিশ্চয়তা বুজায় তেনেহলে আমি কি কৰিম? We will use will not. Right? So negative sentences use only will not. Just like positive sentences use will, negative sentences use will not. Right? Okay. Now moving ahead, as I said, we will not be focusing on questions today. Hope তোমালোকে questions বোৰ enjoy কৰি আছিলা, but আজি তোমালোকক অলপ freedom দিছো questions ৰ পৰা. Okay? So এতিয়াতে মই questions বোৰ discuss নকৰো. এই যে special questions বোৰ আহে, এই special questions বোৰ আমি discuss কৰিম আমাৰ অলপ সময় পিছত বা হয়তো অহাটো sessionত. But right now, we have something totally content-based stuff for you all. Right? So ready? Let's move on. Okay. Use of will to question. এতিয়া willক অকল নিশ্চয়তা বুজাৰ কাৰণে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা নাযায়. willক কেতিয়াবা কেনেকৈ ব্যৱহাৰ কৰা যায়? প্ৰশ্ন সোধাৰ কাৰণেও will use কৰা যায়. কেনেকৈ? For example, তাৰ এটা example চাব গ'লে এইটো exampleটো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? Will you have some cake? Will you have some cake? Will এইটো কি হৈছে? Will to আমাৰ subjectৰ আগত আহিছে. Subject কোনটো হয়? You. Right? So youৰ আগত will to যেতিয়া আহিলে আমি কি পালো এটা? আমি এটা প্ৰশ্ন পালো. Will you have a cake? Right? Then দুজনী ছোৱালী আছে. ইজনী আনজনীৰ লগত কথা পাতি আছে. So obviously এটা প্ৰশ্ন সুধিবই. প্ৰশ্নটো কি হ'ব পাৰে বাৰু? Will you come tomorrow? তুমি অহাকালি আহিবানে? Will you come tomorrow? তুমি অহাকালি আহিবানে? ইয়াত কি হৈছে? আকৌ এটা প্ৰশ্ন সোধা হৈছে. So will you come tomorrow? So what do we have here? It's will. Will you come tomorrow? Then the next word is what? Will it rain this evening? You know, আজি সন্ধিয়া বৰষুণ দিবনে? এতিয়া 19 আমি এটা প্ৰশ্ন সুধিব লাগে. So what will we say? Will it rain this evening? Will it rain this evening? Okay? So use of won't. Will er পিছত আমাৰ next word কি আহিল? Won't. Future tense এইটো এটা word হয়. What is won't? It is the short form of will not. Won't হল, will not or short form. Short বা লঘু আকাৰত আমি কি কৰো? Will, WILLNOT space তাৰপৰা NOT will not লিখাতকে আমি won't লিখো, যিটো will not or short form হয়. So it is the short form of will not. So will plus not is equal to won't. All right? So what do we have here? For example, it would be what? I won't lie. মই মিছা কথা নকওঁ. I won't lie. Instead of saying I will not lie, we are saying what? I won't lie. মিছা কথা নকওঁ. I won't lie. Okay? We won't forget your birthday. আমি তোমাৰ বাৰ্থডেটো পাহৰি নাযাওঁ. আমি তোমাৰ বাৰ্থডেটো পাহৰি নাযাওঁ. So we will not forget your birthday. এইটোক যদি আমি short formত ক'ব লাগে, we'll say what? We won't forget your birthday. So won't to কি হয়? Will not or short form হয়. We won't forget your birthday. It won't rain today. আজি বৰষুণ নিদিয়ে. It will not rain today. So instead of saying will not, as we can see, will plus not is equal to won't. So it won't rain. It will actually কি হয়? It will not rain. All right? Won't rain. Then Raj won't pass the test. He has not studied at all. Raj won't pass the test. He has not studied at all. Raj, এইটো simple ক'বলৈ কি হ'ব? Raj will not pass the test. He has not studied at all. তেওঁ অলপো পঢ়া নাই. So Raj won't pass. Raje pass নকৰে. So will not, instead of saying will not, what we have done? We have used the short form of that. What's that short form? Very good. It's won't. So we said what? Raj won't pass the test. Raj test to pass নকৰিব. So we used what? Won't. WONT. Won't. It's what? It's the short form of will not. Will not or short form won't to আমি ইয়াত ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছো. All right, moving ahead. As I said, there will be no questions today. So we'll jump to our next part. So exercise. Say, change the sentences using into questions using will. So here is an exercise for you all. তোমালোক সকলৰ কাৰণে এইটো এটা exercise হয়, এটা অনুশীলন হ'ব. So ইয়াত কি আছে? Change the sentences into questions using will. Will ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি এই sentencesবোৰ একোটা প্ৰশ্নলৈ পৰিৱৰ্তিত কৰা. Change the sentences into questions using will. All right? So Priya will clean the house this week. Priya will clean the house this week. Priyai অহা সপ্তাহত ঘৰটো পৰিষ্কাৰ কৰিব বা ঘৰটো চাফা কৰিব. এতিয়া এইটোক যদি মই প্ৰশ্ন সুধিব লগা হয়, মই কি সুধিম? প্ৰিয়াই অহা সপ্তাহত ঘৰটো চাফা কৰিবনে? অসমীয়াত সুধিলে তেনেকৈ হ'ব, হয়নে নহয়? So what will we do? যেতিয়া আমি will ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি প্ৰশ্ন এটা সুধিব লাগে, how will it look like? It will say what? Will Priya clean the house this week? So এইটো আমি questionত convert কৰোঁতে আমি কি কৰিলো? First we added that interrogation mark, right? প্ৰশ্নবোধক চিহ্নটো আমি দিলো. তাৰ লগতে কি হয়? যেতিয়া will ব্যৱহাৰ কৰি প্ৰশ্ন এটা সুধিবলগীয়া হয়, So positioning to ki hoy? Priya first position ot asil. Priya first or second point ot ahil, isn't it? Will to yat second point ot asil. Will to second of our first point loi gol, right? So, you know, when we are asking a question using will, what will we do? We will place the will before the subject. Will to kami ki korim? Ami jitu subject versus sentence or subject to agot bohai dim, titia ki hobo? It will turn into a question. So Priya will clean the house this week. Etuk jodi mi personal convert koribo laga hoy, what we did? We placed the will before Priya and we added the question mark. We got our question. Will Priya clean the house this week? Right? Now moving ahead, what we did, we placed the will before Priya. Right? The birds will nest in the garden. The birds will nest in the garden. Soraibure gardenot nest banabo. So nest is been used as a verb here. Nest mane ki sorai nest sorai chitu ba thake, isn't it? But it's a noun, but it can be used as a verb as well. Yet ami ki korisu? We have used the word nest as a verb, right? Mane ki তেওঁলোকে তাত জিৰণি ল'ব আশ্ৰয়স্থল বনাব so এই গোটেই wordটো কি কৰিছো আমি nounটোক এটা verb হিচাপে ইউজ কৰিছো birds will nest in the garden okay so ইয়াত আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব এতিয়া we have to turn that into a question আৰু কি ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব লাগিব question turn কৰোতে yes very good we'll have to use the word will birds will nest in the garden so what we did? We have our answer, right? The question is, will the birds nest in the garden? So yet again ki hul? Will to the birds or pisot asil? Our subject ki asil? The birds, right? This was our subject. So our pisot ki asil? Will asil. So what we did? We brought will to the beginning and the birds to Pishwai Hill, will or Pishot. And again, what we did, we added that question mark. We added that question mark over here. Isn't it? Will to yat ahigol, yarpa yat ahigol, birds to yat ahigol, second point of ahigol, and we added that question mark. Right? So when we have to ask a question using will, ami ki korim? Ami will to subject or hamukot bohai dim. Iti ami ki pam? We'll get the question using will. All right? Arvind will lend you the money for shopping. Arvind will lend you the money for shopping. Arvind will lend you the money for shopping. Again, yat ki ase Arvind will. So, etuk ami jodi convert koribo lage, what will it be like? Will Arvind lend you the money for shopping? Will Arvind lend you the money for shopping? Arvinde tumak shopping karone paisa dhare dibone. So what we did here again second position thaka will to kami ki korilu ami first position loi ahilu Arvind first asil Arvindok second use add korilu and we added that question mark okay so will to second position asil etu first loi ki ahi gol Arvind to first pa second loi gusi gol aru tar logote ki hol eta question mark add hol okay and that's how what we did we converted this line into a question using will okay he will win the race tomorrow he will win the race tomorrow okay so what will be the question like will he win the race tomorrow will he win the race tomorrow again ki hoise will he and question mark right will to second position or asil first position ahi gol he to first of second position gusi gol আৰু আমি কি কৰিলো we added a question mark. Okay, so he will win the race tomorrow. Will he win the race tomorrow? That's the part, right? Okay, Sanjay will be on a holiday tomorrow. Sanjay will be on a holiday tomorrow. So etur ki hobo? Will Sanjay be on a holiday tomorrow? Will Sanjay be on a holiday tomorrow? Sanjay ohakali eta holiday thakibo neki? Okay, so that's the thing. What we did here, again, question mark add korilu. Will to first ahi gol, Sanjay to Pishwai second position ahi gol, right? So that's how we converted this sentence into a question, right? Now, all right, bahut porhilo. Now it's time for some jokes. Tumaloke jokes enjoy kora ne nokora? Well, we all enjoy jokes, isn't it? So let's see what kind of jokes these two person have. Probably it's in a classroom, there is a naughty kid and there is an angry teacher, isn't it? So let's see what's the joke going on. Change the sentence to future tense. Change the sentence to future tense. So sarjone student jonok koise ei bakyo to future tense loi poribortito kora. Change the tense into future tense. And the sentence is I killed the person. I killed a person. মই মানুহ এটা হত্যা কৰিলো. I killed a person. So এইটোক যদি future tense লৈ convert কৰিব লাগে, future tense to কি হ'ব বল? I will kill a person, isn't it? I is the subject. I will add will after that. আৰু will ৰ পিছত কি হয়? Verb to সদায় root formত থাকে. তাত আমি ed form use নকৰো. So I killed a person to কি হ'ব? I will kill a person. But look at our smart student. Sarjone bet loi ase hatot. So he answer to naughty answer dise sage. Sawasun tar answer to ki hoy? Sir, you will be sent to a jail. Sir, you will be sent to a jail. Do you agree with him? Well, manu marile jodi sarjone koise moi manu eta marilo, I killed the person. Turn that into future tense. So lora jone ki korile? Tense to future nokori sarjoner future to korile. You will be sent to a jail. Okay? But then this is not the answer. Eneko answer kotha na bhabibao aru porikhat kiteo nilikhabao, right? So this is just a joke. I killed the person. The future form of that would be what? I will kill a person, not you will be sent to a jail. Okay? Okay, one more. So ebar ki ahil teolokor? One day our world would be violence free. Which tense is it? So sarjone udile edinakhon amar prithibikhon hingsa mukto hobo. One day our world will be violence free. Edinakhon amar prithibikhon hingsa mukto hobo. Etu kuntu tense hoy? Tumaloke muk koason etu kuntu tense hoy? One day our world will be violence free. Amar prithibikhon edin hingsa mukto hobo. Etu kuntu tense hoy? Very good. This is future tense. This is basically simple future tense. But look at our smart boy. Let's see what he has to say. He coined a new tense. Our smart lorajone tar notun tense uliai dile. What's that? Future impossible tense. He কৈছে যে এইটো কেতিয়া হ'ব নোৱাৰে. So he created the new tense and he said future impossible tense, right? But this is just a joke. The sentence is what? It's in simple future. All right. Now there is another classroom and there is a sir and a student. Let's see what is happening. May I come in, sir? The student said, may I come in, sir? Sir, mabo parune? You're late again, Jason. So sarjono khong uthile, sarjone kole, tumi akko deri ki ahisa, Jason? I'm sorry, I got stuck in the traffic. Sir, moi dukhito, moi traffic ot phosi golu. Will you stop making excuse and start arriving in time for the classes? Tumi bahana baje eri fele homoyot class ahibo arambho koribane? So what is he doing? He is asking a question. So kitia koriba? এইটো প্ৰশ্নও নহয়, but then এইটো প্ৰশ্ন যেন লাগে কিন্তু এটা actually warning হয়. So will you stop making excuse and start arriving in time for the classes? So it looks like a question, but it's not a question, right? But what we have done, we have used that expression will and question mark. I will definitely try be on time from now on. এতিয়াৰ পৰা মই সময়ত অহাৰ পুৰা চেষ্টা কৰিম. So what we did, we used the word will here, right? Let's hope so. Please take your seat. So go and take your seat. Okay, so that was whatever we have seen for the uses of future, right? Edu session we only saw the uses of will, but will is not the only word that indicates future. There is another word that indicates future. What's that? Yes, very good. The other word is shall. So we will talk about shall in our coming session, right? So future tense, time expressing an action that has not yet happened or does not yet exist, that is future tense. Examples of future would be what? I will go to my aunt's place tomorrow. So tomorrow is the future, so it should be what? Will. Then examples would be what? We use will to talk about a future event. I will stay back at home and watch cricket. Use of will not to talk about any negative sentence in the future. So I will not attend the music class this Sunday. So positive sentences would be like what? I will do my homework. Homework korim. I will do my homework. Negative sentence would be what? I will not do my homework. Homework nokoru. That would be what? An example of a negative sentence. Use of will to question. কেতিয়াবা will ক আমি কি কৰো? Question সোধাৰ কাৰণে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিব পাৰো. যেনে for example, will you have some cake? Will you have some cake? তুমি কেক খাবানে? Will you have some cake? Right? So use of won't. What is won't? Won't is what? It's the short form of will not. So it is the short form of will not. Will not becomes what? Won't. So example would be what? I won't lie. All right, so boys and girls, that's it for today. Hope you all have understood the uses of will. In our coming classes, we'll discuss the other topics in great detail. Now, thank you all and hope you all will stay safe and will keep working hard. Thank you.